Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So I am looking forward to this video. I know every single video I'm like, oh my god, I'm so excited. And for this one, am I excited? Not so much. I'm a little bit nervous actually. Like, I don't know if this is gonna work on my hair. I have curly hair, you guys already know. If you haven't seen my curly hair, I'm gonna insert a picture right now. Really big curly hair. So I'm gonna try out a brush that is from Revlon. You guys know that I love my Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer, which is this one right here. But they actually have one that is called the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler. This is what it looks like. I haven't opened this yet, and this is gonna be a first impression. I'm gonna try it out here on my channel. And this is a paddle brush blow dryer. So I never blow out my hair with a paddle brush, and it's just not good for curly hair, at least not for me. It just doesn't work for curly hair. I used to hate it when I would go and get a blowout at the salon and they would use a paddle brush and a blow dryer to blow out my hair. Like, no, I need a round brush. I need a round brush because it's just, it doesn't leave it smooth enough. It leaves it a little bit frizzy. So I'm kind of nervous to try this out, but I figured I would try this one because it's pretty similar to the one-step hair dryer and volumizer, the round brush or the oval brush. So let's try this out. Let's see how this works. Oh, and guess what? Oh my god, I almost forgot to tell you guys. In this video, I will be giving away not just one, but 2 Revlon brushes. That's pretty lit. You guys need to stick around and keep watching this video and wait until the end so you guys can see all the details to enter the giveaway. I love you guys. You guys have been showing so much support to my channel and I really love that. So thank you so much. So I just wanted to give something back to you guys, and stay tuned because I will be giving more information on how to enter the giveaway. Okay, so let's open this together. This looks almost the same as the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer packaging. This retails for $40, so it's $20 cheaper than the other one, than this one. So if this is good, I mean, it's a good deal. $40 is not bad. Okay, so let's see what's in here. This is the only thing that comes in the box as well. I mean, I'm not expecting anything more, but you know, this is what it looks like. It's a paddle brush. And I'm not a fan of blowing out my hair with a paddle brush. I already told you guys, but we're gonna stay positive and hope that this works on curly hair. The package says the same thing as the packaging of the other Revlon. It just says that, you know, reduces frizz and enhances shine. So let's see if this makes my hair look shiny. It says smooth results with less frizz in half the time. So we'll see. I'm gonna time this. You guys already know I love timing everything. So we're gonna time it and see how long it takes me to blow out my hair with this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm actually going to use my Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. You guys are probably so tired of hearing me talk about this because I use this every time I blow out my hair. It smells so good and I just love it. Okay, let's put it on high. Very loud. So this feels very strong and that is good. I love that, but it's like stronger up here than down here. It's like no air is coming out from like this part, but I mean, maybe that's just part of it. Maybe that's just part of their technique. I don't know, like maybe that's just something that they prefer to do, you know, unless mine came broken, but I don't think so, right? I mean, but let's try it either way. Okay, so I'm trying over here to get it as flat as I can, and it's just not the best thing ever. It kind of sucks because I'm like so into this Revlon brush, and then to know that the same brand did this one is just kind of like, what? This is like nowhere near as good as this. This is just like hard to use. Like even if I try to like put it more in my roots, it starts to burn my neck. I've been trying to blow this out for a while now, and it's not bad, but it's just not like wow. And to get on the roots, it's like so hard. But we're just gonna keep trying and, you know, just keep doing this. So I'm gonna do 1/2 first, and I'll be back, and I'm gonna start timing it right now. So yeah, let's start. Oh my god, this is the worst thing ever. Ah! Oh my god, guys, what is this? This looks so bad. It's just not working for me. This is just really bad. Like I don't even want to continue my hair. Like it's just like, it's like torture. Like it's just so bad. I'm like disappointed. I'm disappointed. I love this so much, but this is like not good at all. It doesn't give you that shine, it doesn't give you the sleek hair. I mean, I can keep trying and trying. This is just, it's not doing anything for me. It really is not. Like it's so hard to get on the roots. It's just hard. Everything is hard with this. This is just making everything harder. Like let's just put it that way. I've been doing it for like about 20 minutes this side, and it usually takes me about 15 minutes to do this side. Maybe around 20 minutes, but you know, you're getting sleek hair, you're not getting this. If you have really straight hair, like you just need a little bit of air to get it straight and dry, then maybe you'll like this. Maybe you're gonna like this if you have straight hair. But for curly hair, no, there's no way. So this one is a big no for me. I don't even want to keep using it and finish my hair, honestly. So I'm just gonna finish my hair with this. I'm gonna do this side, and I just want to show you guys the difference. I just want to show you guys the difference because you guys need to know, you guys need to see the difference. So let's do this side, and I'll time it, and I'll show you guys how quickly you can get a nice blowout with the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer, the oval brush, not the paddle brush. Okay, so about 20 minutes. I'm gonna time it, and let's see if it takes about 20 minutes or even less. Let's see. So you guys tell me which side you like better. It's a big difference. It really is a big difference, and it only took me about 13 minutes to do this side. So in total 33 minutes. I had the timer on for this side, 20 minutes on this side, 13 minutes on this side. So as you can see, this side is poofier, bigger, and I'm not even trying to exaggerate anything. Like I am just really being honest here. Like I really tried to get it straight. I always try to get it as straight as possible. And then this is what the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer looks like, and it is just Very shiny, very sleek, very straight. Okay, so final thoughts. Do I recommend this for curly hair? Absolutely not. I don't think it is worth your money for that. Just pay $20 more and get this, the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. The oval brush, it is just way more worth it. It's just, you don't even think about it. Just don't even think about it. Like, go with this one. Trust me on that. Like, you won't regret it. Okay, so time for the giveaway. I know I look crazy, I already know, but you know what, we're gonna finish the video like this. And you guys know what, I was actually going to give away one of these and then one of these, but I am not gonna do that to you guys. Like, I am not gonna make you guys suffer with this, especially if you have curly hair. Like, I'm just gonna give away 2 of these because I know most of you will prefer this one, maybe, right? I hope I'm not wrong on that, but I'm going to be giving away 2 of these. So 2 Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizers. And guys, all you have to do is the same as last time. You just have to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. The 3rd step is to follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. Go ahead and follow me. And then the 4th step is to comment down below your email. So subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and comment down below your email. And I will be reaching out to 2 of you because this time it's 2 winners in about 3 days. So just keep checking your email and I will be announcing the winner in my next video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well. So make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.